Hello, everyone. By far, I think the SpaceX team is the best space team that has ever been put together on Earth, and their accomplishments over the past year show that to an amazing degree. What you guys have done over the past year is nothing short of amazing, and one day we will live on Mars. As 2024 begins, a major milestone has been reached in the field of space exploration. SpaceX, a company known for innovation, has set a new course for global connectivity. This isn't just a leap forward in space technology. A strange question comes up. How might this huge jump in space affect Tesla's business? With shares currently worth $187 each, is the market ready for a huge change? Tesla is a leader in the revolution of electric cars, and another idea from the strong investors and tech fans are very interested in how these celestial endeavors might affect Elon Musk's company. The possible effects on Musk's stock are a hot topic of conversation. Join us on this cosmic journey connecting the orbits of SpaceX's newest innovations to the market pulse of Tesla. How does this affect the future of technology, connectivity, and investments? Let's look into the options together. But first, show your support by giving this video a like and subscribing to Tesla Stock News. With that out of the way, let's get started. This video began as the clock struck midnight on January 2, 2024, and SpaceX made history again by sending a fleet of newly designed Starlink satellites into space on the reliable Falcon 9 rockets. These aren't just any satellites. They're a big step forward in global connectivity and come with cutting-edge technology that lets them offer direct cell phone services. Imagine a world where your cell phone signal can reach every part of the planet without being slowed down by physical barriers. Elon Musk, the man who planned both SpaceX and Tesla, saw this historic event happen. His response, which was a mix of pride and excitement, was clear on social media. He called it a game changer for global communication, but there's more going on here than just technology. Amazingly, this big step forward could send shockwaves through the financial markets. People are paying close attention to Tesla's stock, which is currently worth $100.87 because it often moves in sync with Musk's spacefaring adventures. A lot of people are wondering how SpaceX's efforts to change the way the world connects will affect Tesla's finances and whether the market is ready for this huge step forward in technology. Now, let's look at the deep effects of a simple visionary leader. Elon Musk, figure F, who is often compared to Thomas Edison or Steve Jobs as an innovator, has not only changed industries, but he has also changed the rules. Under Musk's leadership, Tesla has had an amazing journey from its initial public offering in 2010 to becoming the world's most valuable car company. Tesla's stock has gone up and down like Musk's current wave of innovation and desire. Tesla's stock is currently trading at $1,887. This small number, however, says a lot about how the market feels about Musk's unwavering commitment to a sustainable energy future and his daring explorations of space. Musk's passion for SpaceX, especially his recent progress with Starlink, has always had an effect on how investors feel about Tesla. Musk's ability to make science fiction come true has not only led to technological advances, but also had an effect on the financial markets. Musk's tweets and announcements have the power to change the price of Tesla's stock. Because Musk's companies work together, a big step forward in SpaceX could have a big effect on Tesla's market performance. With Musk in charge, the line between the auto and space industries becomes interestingly blurry. Let's take a closer look at SpaceX's newest innovation, Starlink's direct-to-cell technology. These advanced satellites orbiting Earth have technology that is about to change the way we communicate. Unlike traditional satellites, these Starlink units can connect directly with cell phones, which means that cell towers on the ground will no longer be needed. This will make it possible for people in the most remote parts of the world to be connected. Now let's talk about what this technological marvel means for Tesla's finances right now. There are 187,000 shares of Tesla stock on the market. How might this big change in satellite technology have affected this price? Imagine that the success of Starlink makes investors more confident in Elon Musk's skills. This could make more people interested in all of Musk's businesses, including Tesla. Let's guess if Starlink gets even a small share of the world's phone market. How market investors see Musk should this happen. The projects could go through the roof. the price of Tesla's stock might go up proportionally. For example, if the stock's value goes up by 10%, it could reach over $1,205. This 10% increase is a conservative guess, since Musk has a history of going above and beyond what people expect. The real growth could be even bigger, especially if Starlink's technology spreads to other industries or works well with Tesla's own innovations. Let's also think about the huge potential for global connectivity. With its groundbreaking direct-to-cell technology, SpaceX's Starlink is almost ready to erase the digital gap and provide high-speed internet to every part of the world. But what does this huge improvement in connectivity have to do with Tesla and its market value? The answer lies in how investors see things and how confident they are in them. Starlink's success can be seen as a stress test for Elon Musk's visionary projects, while Starlink moves forward with its plan to get rid of all global dead zones. It sends a strong message to investors about the possibility of Musk's ecosystem. This success could lead to more trust in all of Musk's businesses, including Tesla. Imagine that Starlink not only meets its goals, but also changes the way people communicate around the world. If this success story spreads through the market, it could lead to a big reevaluation of Tesla's stock, which is currently worth $1,887. With each successful satellite launch and new region connected, investors may see Tesla not just as an auto and energy company, but also as an important part of the groundbreaking tech conglomerate. This could raise Tesla's market valuation, possibly pushing it to $1,900. This is the interesting synergy between SpaceX and Tesla. It goes beyond what it is now. More than just Elon Musk, the CEO of both companies, ties these two giants together. There is a common story of innovation risk and a vision of the future. Take a moment to think about how much Tesla's stock is worth right now, $1,887. This number shows not only how well Tesla is doing in the market for electric cars, but also how much investors trust Musk's larger group of companies. SpaceX's historically important milestones have had an impact on Tesla's stock. This is because investors often see Musk's ventures as related parts of a bigger machine of innovation. For example, let's look at a past event. When SpaceX successfully launched and landed its Falcon rockets, the market felt a wave of optimism, and Tesla's stock went up significantly. This pattern has repeated itself, showing that Musk's successes in aerospace are linked to market confidence in the automotive industry. As Starlink takes SpaceX into a new era of connectivity, this dynamic could happen again. If Starlink meets its lofty goals, investors will have more faith in the company. This could lead to Tesla's stock price going up well above the current $187 mark. Also, how the market sees Musk's companies isn't just based on their profits, it's also based on the promise of a more technologically advanced future. Each success in SpaceX's journey shows that Musk can follow through on his visions, which makes investors more confident in Tesla's long-term prospects. Such improvements in global connectivity are likely to have a positive effect on Tesla. As Starlink moves forward, it could strengthen investor faith in Musk's larger vision, which would be good for Tesla's stock. But we can't forget the problems they may face, like engineering problems and making rockets that can land and be used again, as well as the huge difficulties of setting up a global satellite internet network. SpaceX's journey has been full of problems. Overcoming these problems hasn't just been a matter of being good at technology. It's also shown how resilient and innovative the company is. Each obstacle that SpaceX has overcome has shown that Musk is able to get through things that seemed impossible to overcome. Investors often see this relentless drive for innovation and problem-solving as a good sign for Tesla's stock. When SpaceX achieves the impossible, it sends a wave of